meters produced by Narda. There we have a broad range, and they can today measure between 1 Hertz up to 90 gigahertz. So we have two basic meters, the NBM 550 and the NBM 520, and they can be connected to any of those probes. So by changing the probe, we can change the frequency range of the instrument. A typical antenna is going from, for example, 100 kilohertz up to 6 gigahertz. And here in Europe, we have many times the procedure that if you can start, if you want to make a test of an area, if it is safe or unsafe, you can do a measurement with a broadband meter, and as long as the value is, let's say, 10% of limit value only, you don't have to do any further action. That means you can say this room complies and there is no other measurement necessary. If you are above 10% or 20% of limit value, then you have to take further action. For example, close to mobile phone stations, you have to make the extrapolation to the maximum traffic. So all the probes we are supplying for the NBM, they have an automatic probe recognition. So you just plug it in and automatically the basic meter will recognize which probe is connected, and all calibration data and so on are automatically transferred into the basic meter. Also, all the uncertainties you are getting for the instrument are already done for any mix between probes and basic meters. So you can use any meter with any probe. The specification inside of the data sheet take into account that there might be a little difference between two probes or two basic meters. This is all included, so you have the full flexibility there. Saying this is okay for the standard calibration of the meters. If you have an accredited calibration of such a meter, then this calibration, the accredited calibration, is only valid for a specific basic meter connected with a specific probe. So there you don't have any more this allowance to change between different probes and different basic meter. Your accredited calibration report is only valid for the combination which was calibrated at that time. The basic meter, for example, the 550 has a built-in microphone to record your voice comments during the measurement, so there's no more need to type in an information. It also records, if a GPS device is connected, it also records your position. And so everything is recorded, including day and time and position, voice comment, plus for sure the measurement result. The display is an old-fashioned reflective LCD display, but this meter is designed for operation outdoor, and as brighter the sunlight, as better is the visibility of the display. This is finally what counts. There are soft key functions available. You have also a keyboard which you can just utilize by the thumb, so there is no need to use two hands. So the second hand can be used for your own safety. Remember, you are many times working on antenna sites on a very high level.